Hi, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to test these two vacuum cleaners. I bought them so I can test to see which one is the best. I'm going to keep one of them so I can clean my car. They've already been opened, so it's not an unboxing. I will go through what's in the boxes, what you get with each vacuum cleaner, how long their runtime is, and their specifications. So to start with, we're going to go through this one, which says vacuum cleaner. There's no real brand to it. As you can see on the box on the side here, it says model number HL-121 and name is vacuum cleaner. So cheap Chinese vacuum cleaner. It actually cost £26 delivered from Amazon. So what you get in the box is 9 attachments, one spare filter, a filter in the nozzle which attaches itself to the vacuum cleaner itself, the instruction manual, and a pouch that everything goes into. I thought I'd mention the instruction manual. The instruction manual is very clearly written, fairly easy to follow, which is quite good. Most stuff these days comes with very pro instruction manuals, and this one doesn't. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's talk about the vacuum cleaner itself. So this vacuum cleaner's build quality is excellent, nice and solid plastic. It's not tinny. Again, very happy with the build quality. The HEPA filter, as you can see, it's a bit dirty because I've used it, but it fits in very easily. You just push it into place. Now it won't go in. Right, there you go. So it pushes into place, it does go in easily. So let's talk about the power. So to turn the power on, you just press and hold for a few seconds. You also have, this is on low setting, and you can see the green indicator. I put it on, that's yellow, and that's medium, and that's high, and that's red. Press it one more time and it'll turn off. So one of the great things about this vacuum cleaner, it has two functions, right? One is the vacuum side and the other is a blower or a inflator. So the first attachment I'll put on just to show you, it slides on and then you twist and it clips into place. You would use this attachment for inflating balloons or maybe a football, something like that. I'm not going to go through all the attachments. All of these attachments for inflating, apart from these two or these three attachments, they are for just general vacuum side of it. So the vacuum has a 2200 milliamp battery. At high power it lasts 12 minutes, at medium power it lasts 18 minutes, and at low power it lasts 30 minutes. A full charge takes 3 hours. The vac generally does a great job, and we'll go on to that next and we'll show you how the vacuum performs. As you can see, the 3 white bars indicate that the battery level is full. I'm going to start with the driver's side footwell, as that is the one that gets dirty the most due to getting in and out of the car. The great thing was I was able to clean the whole of the car with one single charge. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. The vac outperformed my expectations and did an excellent job of cleaning the car. As you can see from the video, it really has done a good job. I'm really surprised for such a small vacuum cleaner how well it performed. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. So the next video I put out will be of the second vacuum cleaner. Let's see if it performs as well as this one. And until next time, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.